Stop me if this sounds familiar. Your towels smell musty no matter how often you wash them. Your countertop is covered in bottles because there is nowhere else to put them. And the exhaust fan, you forget to turn it on. These are not design problems. They are symptoms. Symptoms of a bathroom built to look good, not to function. The irony, every single one of these problems was solved over 100 years ago. Then we stopped building that way. But here's what's interesting. According to the National Association of Realtors, bathroom remodels recover around 71% of their cost in resale value. Which features you choose makes all the difference. These are forgotten bathroom features we need to bring back because modern does not mean better, it just means cheaper. True luxury is when beauty and function disappear into one. Subscribe and hit like if that is the standard you expect. Recessed medicine cabinets. Walk into most bathrooms built after 2010 and you will find the same thing. A flat decorative mirror over the vanity. It looks clean, modern, minimal, and it offers zero storage. Medicine cabinets were standard in American bathrooms for nearly a century, and for good reason. They combine two essentials: a mirror for grooming and hidden storage for everything from medications to skincare to razors. Then, the minimalist movement happened. Designers started choosing oversized statement mirrors, and suddenly recessed storage disappeared. The problem is all that clutter has to go somewhere. Now it ends up on countertops, in baskets, or crammed under the sink. The good news, medicine cabinets are making a comeback, but smarter than before. Modern versions feature LED lighting, anti-fog technology, and even built-in outlets for electric toothbrushes. According to House's 2024 survey, 82% of bathroom remodelers cited integrated storage and lighting as must-have features. How to bring it back? Look for recessed, frameless models with LED backlighting. They sit flush with the wall, maintain that clean aesthetic, but actually give you functional storage. A quality recessed medicine cabinet costs between $150 and $600, a fraction of most bathroom upgrades. If you live in an older home, you might have noticed small windows positioned high above doors or along the tops of walls. These are transom windows. They were the original solution for natural light and ventilation, long before exhaust fans became standard. Here is why they matter, especially in humid climates. Transom windows allow hot, moist air to rise and escape naturally, while bringing in daylight without sacrificing privacy. They were standard in homes built before air conditioning because they worked. Then came sealed, climate-controlled houses, and we traded natural ventilation for exhaust fans that many people forget to turn on. The result is trapped moisture, ongoing battles with mold, and bathrooms that feel like dark caves. They deserve a comeback. Modern transom windows can be fixed for light only, or operable to allow airflow. They are perfect above shower enclosures or above the bathroom door. Frosted glass maintains privacy while diffusing natural light, and as a design bonus, they make ceilings feel taller and spaces feel more open. Cost to add is $200 to $500 for a basic transom window, plus installation. In older homes, you may be restoring what was originally there. Number 3. Tile wainscoting. Walk into a bathroom built in the 1920s or the 1930s, and you will often see tile running partway up the walls, usually about chair rail height. This is tile wainscoting, and it was not just decorative, it was functional. Tile protects walls from water damage, humidity, and everyday wear. It wipes clean, and it does not absorb moisture like painted drywall. Somewhere along the way, builders started painting bathroom walls with moisture-resistant paint and calling it good enough. Spoiler, it is not. Paint chips, it molds, and it requires constant maintenance in high-humidity bathrooms. Why it deserves a comeback. Tile wainscoting adds protection that painted walls simply cannot match. It is also experiencing a design renaissance. Designers are using subway tile, zeology, and colored ceramic to bring character back to bathrooms. House Beautiful recently highlighted tile wainscoting as a key 2025 trend, noting its connection to Art Deco and Colonial Revival styles. How to incorporate it. Standard wainscoting height is 32 to 36 inches. Use a cap molding to transition to the painted wall above. Subway tile with white grout is classic. colored tile makes a bolder statement. Number 4. Built-in shower niches and soap dishes. Here is a question. Where do you put your shampoo in the shower? If you are like most people, it sits on the floor, balanced on the tub edge, or in a wire caddy that rusts, falls, and looks terrible. Older bathrooms solved this elegantly with built-in niches and soap dishes, recessed directly into the tile. They were permanent, waterproof, and designed as part of the architecture. Modern bathrooms often skip this entirely. Why? Because it requires planning during construction and it adds labor costs. The result is bathrooms that look finished. Then you move in and realize there is nowhere functional to put anything. Why this deserves a comeback. Built-in niches are experiencing a major resurgence. Designers are treating them as design features, illuminating them with LED strips, lining them with accent tile, or extending them the full width of the shower. They eliminate cheap plastic accessories that inevitably break or stain. How to incorporate it? If you are remodeling, plan niches during the tile phase. Preformed niche inserts from companies like Schluter make installation easier. Standard sizes are 12 by 12 inches or 13 by 20 inches, big enough for family-size bottles. For existing bathrooms, surface-mounted niches in brushed nickel or matte black offer a retrofit option. We're only 4 features in, and I'm guessing at least one of these already has you thinking about your own bathroom. If you're finding this useful, take a second to hit that like button. It helps more people discover these videos. And if you're not subscribed yet, well, we have 6 more features to go. Alright, let's keep going. Number 5. Separate tub and shower. For decades, the bathtub and shower combo was the default. 1 fixture, 2 functions. Maximum efficiency. The problem? It's a compromise that does neither well. The tub is too shallow for a proper soak. The shower feels cramped, and that plastic shower curtain, it's always touching you. Older luxury homes understood this. They had separate bathtubs, often freestanding and dedicated shower spaces, each designed for its specific purpose. This deserves a comeback because the NKBA 2026 Trend Report shows homeowners are increasingly asking designers to separate these functions or eliminate the tub entirely in favor of larger walk-in showers. Freestanding tubs dominate master bathroom designs for those who want the soaking experience. Meanwhile, dedicated showers can include bench seating, multiple shower heads, and proper niches. For families with larger master bathrooms, this separation creates a true SPA experience. One catch is this: keep at least 1 bathtub in the home if you plan to sell. Families with young children consider it essential. The master bath is where you can make the choice. This one might surprise you, especially if you live in a warm climate. Heated towel bars have been standard in European bathrooms for decades. Americans often dismiss them as a luxury for cold weather. But here is what we miss. The primary function isn't heating towels, it is drying them. In humid climates, towels that don't dry properly between uses develop that musty smell. They harbor bacteria and need washing more frequently. A heated towel bar keeps towels dry and fresh, which is exactly what you need when humidity is the enemy. The market for heated towel racks is projected to grow from $1.5 billion in 2025 to nearly $2.7 billion by 2033. This is not a niche luxury anymore. Why this deserves a comeback. Modern electric towel warmers cost around 15 to 25 cents per day to operate. They reduce how often you need to wash towels, saving water and energy. Plus, stepping out of the shower to a warm towel, that is daily luxury that actually improves quality of life. How to incorporate it. Wall-mounted plug-in models range from $150 to $500. Hardwired versions with timers offer the cleanest look. Match the finish to your other bathroom hardware. 7. Water closets. The enclosed toilet room. Let's talk about bathroom privacy. The water closet, a small enclosed room within the bathroom specifically for the toilet, used to be standard in well-designed homes. It allows one person to use the toilet while another uses the shower or vanity. Then builders started maximizing open floor plans and the water closet became a casualty. Now the toilet sits exposed, often the first thing you see when entering the bathroom. Why this deserves a comeback. According to the National Association of Home Builders, a water closet ranks among the top 5 most wanted bathroom features. 65% of homebuyers listed it as desirable or essential. Beyond privacy, there is a hygiene argument. Separating the toilet keeps it away from toiletries, towels, and grooming areas. From a design perspective, it allows the rest of the bathroom to feel more spa-like, because no one wants to relax in a soaking tub while staring at a toilet. How to incorporate it? A water closet needs minimum dimensions of about 30 by 60 inches. If a full enclosure is not possible, consider a privacy partition, a half wall with frosted glass above, which provides separation without making the space feel cramped. Quick question for you, and drop your answer in the comments. Which of these features does your bathroom actually have? Medicine cabinet, transom window, water closet? I am genuinely curious how many of us are living with bathrooms that have none of these. 3 more features to go. Number 8. Windows in the shower. At some point, we decided that windows in showers were problematic. Water damage, privacy concerns, maintenance issues, so we sealed them up, tiled over them, built showers in interior corners with no natural light. The result was dark, cave-like showers that require artificial lighting and feel smaller than they are. Why this deserves a comeback. Properly designed, a shower window is completely safe. Modern waterproofing, vinyl or fiberglass frames, and strategic placement make water damage a non-issue. For ventilation, an awning window hinged at the top allows airflow even during light rain, while maintaining privacy. And that natural light? It's transformative. A shower with daylight feels larger, cleaner, and infinitely more pleasant. How to incorporate it? Place windows high enough for privacy or use frosted glass. Transom-style windows running horizontally above the shower wall are particularly effective. Light floods in, but sightlines stay blocked. 9. Pedestal sinks. The pedestal sink, that classic fixture with a basin supported by a column, was standard in American bathrooms through the mid-20th century. Then vanities took over. Storage underneath, countertop space. The pedestal sink seemed outdated. But here's what we lost: elegance. Pedestal sinks create visual openness. They make small bathrooms feel larger. In powder rooms, where storage is not the priority, they are the perfect choice. Why this deserves a comeback? Designers are embracing pedestal sinks again, particularly colored and vintage-inspired versions. Country Living recently featured a soft blue pedestal sink as an example of the 2026 vintage bathroom trend. Kohler has reintroduced colored fixtures. The look is fresh, not dated, especially paired with modern faucets and dramatic wallpaper. Where it works best: powder rooms, half baths, small guest bathrooms where vanity storage is not essential. 10. Clawfoot and freestanding tubs. The clawfoot tub, that iconic Victorian fixture with decorative feet, defined luxury bathrooms for over a century. Then built-in alcove tubs took over. They were cheaper to install, easier to seal. They fit neatly between 3 walls. The problem? They are boring. They feel like an afterthought, and they turn the bathtub from a statement piece into background plumbing. Why this deserves a comeback? Freestanding tubs are one of the defining features of 2026 bathroom design. They dominate master bathroom trends because they create a focal point, a centerpiece, a reason to actually use the tub. Positioned beneath a window or in the center of a large bathroom, a freestanding tub transforms the space from functional to aspirational. The practical consideration: freestanding tubs require floor-mounted or wall-mounted faucets, which adds installation complexity. They work best in larger bathrooms where they can breathe. For master bathrooms with square footage, this is the upgrade buyers actually notice. If you made it this far, you're clearly serious about getting your bathroom right. Here's what I'd love to know. Which one feature from this list would you bring back first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Here's what these 10 features have in common. They were designed with intention. Natural ventilation, built-in storage, thoughtful separation of functions, materials that handle moisture properly. Modern bathrooms often prioritize aesthetics over livability. These forgotten features prioritized both. If you're planning a remodel or just dreaming about one, consider what made older bathrooms work so well. Sometimes the best design ideas are not new at all. They are just waiting to be remembered. The worst bathroom mistakes start as trends, and they age faster than you think. Watch, these bathroom trends are already dead in 2026. Here's why, before your remodel becomes outdated.